I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring FL Studio and your keyboard drivers are installed. Then connect the keyboard via USB or Midi interface and power it on. Open FL Studio and go straight to Options, Midi Settings, and enable your device as an input. Once done, set the Midi port to 1 and choose a generic controller if no model appears. This first step gives FL Studio permission to receive notes. Make sure the green input indicator blinks when you press a key. Next, load an instrument into the channel rack, FL keys or a synth like Serum, and select the plugin wrapper. In the wrapper options, set the Midi input port to the same number you assigned earlier so FL Studio routes your keystrokes to that instrument. Then arm recording. Record enable the playlist or open the piano roll and click the record icon. Once enabled, play to test. You should hear the instrument and see incoming notes. If latency occurs, adjust audio buffer size and driver type. Finally, record your performance into the playlist with the metronome and a 1-bar pre-count to lock timing. After recording, open the piano roll to quantize, edit note lengths, and tweak velocities. This is where you shape feel and dynamics. Export or bounce when satisfied. If nothing records or the sound is choppy, verify drivers, Midi channel matches, swap the USB cable, and reduce buffer for lower latency. One key troubleshooting tip. Always check the Midi input is enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.